Hello! Today's tutorial is how to put files like this into a brand new folder. As you can see, I have these kind of folders already set up, but what I'm going to do is go ahead and just start a brand new one. So what I want you to do is right click on the mouse and go to new and hit folder. As you can see, it's going to ask you what you want to name it, so it should be highlighted how it was, and let's just go ahead and put Michael's folder. And as you can see, I have Michael's folder. You double click on it, it's empty. So, now, in Michael's folder, we want to put images. So what I did is I left clicked and I held down my left clicker, and then you just drag it to the Michael's folder. It disappears. Another way to do it is, okay, I want to put these two, but I don't want to put these three, so let's go ahead and highlight them. Make a little box like that. And the way I did that is you just go in a blank area like this. Click on your left clicker and hold it down, and then just drag and make a little box. So this one was highlighted. The way to do that without having to unhighlight these is simply hit Control on your keyboard and left click on this, and it'll make it unhighlighted. As you can see, these two are still highlighted, and all you have to do is hold down your left clicker and drag them over to Michael's folder. Voila! Now, with that control button that I just showed you, let's say I want this one and this one, and obviously I can't just do it that way. Another quick shortcut is just hold down Control, left click, and left click. Now you have those two highlighted. Okay, I don't want those highlighted anymore. You could just click anywhere. So go like that, and then left click in the blank area, like that. So let's say I want these two. Control, hold it down, click, click. They're both highlighted, correct? Now let's go ahead and go over here and get this Word document. Hold down Control and left click on it as well, and look, it's highlighted. Now you could drag this, and as you can see, all three are moving. Now if you just drag one of them that's highlighted and make sure that all three of them are highlighted the way that it is right now, just drop it into Michael's folder and all three should just drop in automatically. Let's see what happens. And there you go. To verify that, just go on and open Michael's folder, and there we have it. Now, here's something that's quite useful. If you right click on this, left message script 1, LM script 1, right click on it, and here's a bunch of options. So if you want to just go ahead and print that because you already know what it is, you could do that. If you want to copy it, you could do that. So if you hit copy, and then go ahead and hit right click, and you should be able to paste it. And there's a copy of it. Another great tip that you could do is right click on it again and create shortcut, and that's another way you could do that. And here's another cool little shortcut. Do send to and you could either send it to another folder, My Documents, which is pretty much where all your documents will go if it's just a default, or you could send it to your desktop. And as you can see, we just made a shortcut for this, and let's see what happens. It is right here. So, if you want to right click on it again, you could actually delete it. And then open up Michael's folder again, and you could right click on this, and you could delete it. And so the right click is awesome, because I mean, okay, I don't like the name of that. I'm going to go ahead and change it. I'll change it to LM script. Spell it out. So there you go. So here's this folder. Let's just say, alright, I don't want this in here anymore. Just left click, highlight it, and just drag it out of here. And there you go. Now you could do the same thing on these two because they are images. and drag these and go straight into images like that. It's going to ask you, would you like to replace them? No, we don't want to because we don't want to double it up. So there's that. And there's some pictures. Now, let me show you one more awesome step. So what is this? Let's see. Oh, I'm a VMware sales professional. Let's get out of that. Let's go ahead and drag that to images. And the great thing about that is you could actually put that in there as well. Open up your folder. And let's just say, I don't like how this looks. So if you actually right click in this blank area, you could actually view it in different ways. So if you want thumbnails, right now it's on tiles, as you can see. Thumbnails, that's what it'll look like if you do thumbnails. I personally like list because it'll have it like this right here. So when I open up a big folder, like my work folder, I already have a list set up. It's easier to see what you're doing because if you do thumbnails, you're going to have to open this up to see them all. So especially if you're dealing with like 500 files at once, which I hope you don't, list is the way to go. And really it's just personal preference. So hopefully this helped. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Have a great day.